Good morning, traders, and welcome to Daily Call today, Friday, the 6th of April. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened overnight and locally. Our trade balance came in better than forecasted at 0.83 billion, and although the news was good, our Aussie US dollar still had a slightly negative day as it continues to trade in a tight range. Perhaps the next move will be determined by non-farm payrolls, which is due out this evening. In the UK, the services PMI disappointed, coming in at 51.7, and the GBP USD reacted accordingly, dropping around about 80 pips yesterday. Cable continues to trade in a tight range with that 140 level holding for now, but will it continue to hold tonight? Finally, in Canada, the Canadian dollar continued to drop following a negative 2.7 billion trade balance deficit. The news has assisted our head and shoulders pattern that we identified earlier in the week. So for those of you who traded that, that trade's moving along very nicely. All right, time to now have a look at our chart of the day. The chart's starting to set up again. There's nothing major right there, but what I found for us today is an Aussie yen on a daily time scale. Now from what I'm showing you here, we can clearly see that it appears that we are in downtrend. The market has come down, pulled back, continued to go down, has pulled back again now, and what we're looking for is in this highlighted area is I'm looking for a price action reversal pattern. And if I should get that, so in other words, I'm looking for an engulfing candle, an inside candle, a shooting star, something along those lines. And if I see it, well then basically we are set ready to go. So we need to wait for today's candle to complete. If it completes as an inside candle, then pretty much we'll be ready to go. So add this one also to your watch list, Aussie yen on a daily time scale. Alright, let's have a look at what's happening tonight. It is a busy session. It is a volatile session. So please take note. At 10:30 tonight from Canada, we have the employment numbers which are due out. And simultaneously at the same time, from the US, we have the non-farm payroll numbers which are due out. If you trade the US CAD, this is the most extreme volatile pair tonight at 10:30 as we have job data released simultaneously for both currencies. Later in the evening, or should I say early hours of the morning, at 1:15 in the morning from the UK, we will have Governor Carney speaking, and then finally at 3:30 in the morning, the Fed Chair, Mr. Jerome Powell, will be speaking for the US. That wraps up the week, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you on Monday for the Daily Call. Bye for now.